What's going on, everybody? It's Ryan from No Limits Fitness, and today we're going to take you through just a quick beginner style leg workout for you. This is great to build muscle, especially in the legs, but also to help you burn fat. These are great workouts. You can do it super quick, add in weight as needed, also add in reps or sets if you need to get to failure for your legs. Make sure you're doing progressive overload, which means always pushing the exercise and always pushing the amount of work that you're able to do. Hope you enjoy it.